How to resize photo for Etsy shop. Now if you want to resize your image for Etsy shop, you can use so many options. You just simply need to go into your browser and search for image resizer. In there you can use paid or premium version of the services provided by these websites, or you can choose free options from the trusted websites like Adobe or any of the other website you want to try. You can also use Canva in order to resize your photo. You just simply need to open any of the website and upload your image in there. And once you upload your image in there, most of these websites have automated feature. You just simply need to upload the image and it will take a time to process your image, and you can choose the size which you want to resize your current image to. Then once you do that, you can very easily download the image and use it for Etsy shop. First option, and as you can see here also, you need to select the image and resize to your desired aspect ratio, and you can continue editing, and once you are done you can hit the download and use your image. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.